So that other animals cannot come into our property at night. We close it off. In the morning when we get ready to move our goats from the barn and that pasture over here to the woods where they can eat from their shoulders up, what we do is we come in here, we unhook the gate, run them in here. And I have a steel rod here that I drop down in a hole right here. And I bring the chain around and I have a hook on the other side where I can latch it over on this side of the post. I've got a latch system out here because with goats you kind of got to be crafty because they'll get their head and undo the chain. So I put it out here where they can't get their head. And then I made like a little chute system here so that it's easier to funnel an animal into a place than it is to try to make them go into a big place. So we've got a little funnel system here. That way it's a whole lot easier to handle them once you get them kind of corralled into an area. And then eventually we have a plan to turn around and take behind us here and to come from that pasture with a fence that's just as wide as this one and come out here and just make a little chute thing here where we can just go from one side to the other here, and we'll have these gates where they close the road off. They can't get out into the road here, and we'll be able to maneuver our animals from pasture to pasture without any problems.